Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How you doing?
I'm doing fine, sir. How may I help you?
Yeah, we are looking for a man named Abefe.
Yeah, Abefe, yeah.
We had a list around here.
Abefe. He stays in the last room there.
Oh, the last room. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Sorry, sir. Do you mean he stay at the last room or live at the last room?
Yeah, Abefe, he lives in the last room.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
don't see.
Hey, let's go. You talk too much. Let's go.
Oh, my Abefe,
Let's go. Let's go. So we are going to get him
Abefe, what you do?
at the last.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Okay. Hey, come here.
Hey, leave him. Leave him. Hello. Leave him. Leave him.
Okay, sir.
I don't want peace.
Wow.
I want problems always.
It's interesting.
Good afternoon.
Well played.
Afternoon.
Good job.
Hello, sir. Are you Abefe?
Yes, sir. I'm very Abefe, sir.
Interesting. Abefe.
That's nice.
So we are here on an investigation. In this vicinity, we are looking for some notorious smokers. Are you a smoker?
Please, I don't usually smoke, and I'm not a smoker. Kì í fagbó mo sì wà níwájú Ọlọ́run àti n kì í fagbó. Lẹ́yìn kí n fa pọ̀pọ̀ mi kí n yó.
Àwọn kan wà tó sáná láti mú wá.
Lẹ́yìn kó fa pọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀ kó yó.
Wow! Interesting.
It's not our business. Okay, all is well.
Officer.
Sir.
Officer.
Sir.
Officer.
Hello.
Do you have magic?
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Wow!
Santabio Sontorime.